Did you break it already?
I'm sorry. Here's one.
You broke my egg.
This one doesn't break. This one's pretty.
Okay.
It doesn't break. This one's pretty.
Thank you, darling.
Oh, these ones break. Look at these.
That's the... Okay.
Different eggs.
Those are our eggs, guys.
Those are colorful. This one's my favorite color.
Is
And
it? Which
this
one's
is
your
my
favorite color?
favorite color. Green is my favorite color. Now
And this is for our fish. When we get it. We don't have it yet.
It's a glass fish.
Yeah.
Look.
When we get
How
it.
about I go get my goldfish later?
Yeah, we have to go get some goldfish. We don't have any right now.
Let's open it.
You can open it, but please don't break them, okay?
Okay, how do you...
Kevin, what colors would you like?
I want blue.